So if you see, just down here is a bit of stinging nettle. So this stinging nettle, well, to live up to their name, under these leaves have like little stinging like needle things.
Like hairs.
Yeah, like hairs, and they really sting. I'm not gonna show you how it stings you, because I'm not in the mood to just sting myself. But I'll show you how you can eat these fresh. So first you would kind of grab it. So if you choose a leaf, I'm gonna choose this one here. We're gonna kind of grab it and fold it. Pluck it off. There you go. So you see I folded it. I'm gonna fold it.
So the actual stings are underneath the leaf,
Yeah,
right?
stings are underneath the leaf, so
Right, okay.
they can't reach me.
Okay.
I'm gonna fold it up a bit more so I don't sting my tongue either, because I don't feel like stinging my tongue. Just... There, and then...
Alright. Then you can eat it.
Yep.
And that is a super nutritious plant, isn't it?
Yeah, it tastes a bit like, what do you call it? Spinach and like kind of like a green apple, I'd say. Like
Spinach and green apple. Lovely.
Yeah.
What a lovely mix.
Yeah.
Yeah. But super good for you.
Yeah, very
right?
good for
So
you.
worthwhile.
You're worthwhile.
Alright, and if you wanted to, you could trick your mates by saying, hey, you can eat these, and you could eat them like that, and then they would hurt themselves, and that would not be very kind.
Maybe don't do that.
Okay, that would be terrible.
Yeah, that's a little mean.
Okay. Thanks, Sonny. That was very interesting.